Hi, we want to check out, please.
Of course. Room number, please.
Room 204 and 211. And can we keep our bags here?
Leo, it's better to ask. Could we leave our luggage here for a few hours?
Oh, right. Could we leave our luggage here until our flight?
Certainly. We can store them in our luggage room.
Perfect. Thank you.
Have a safe trip.
Hi, we would go to airport, please.
Leo! We would like to go to airport, or can you take us to airport?
Oh, sorry. We would like to go to airport, please. By the way, how long will it take?
No problem. It should take about 25 minutes.
Our flight is at 3 p.m. Will we make it on time?
Don't worry, we'll be there by 2:15. You'll have plenty of time.